Hey everybody, well, as you can see, the engine's pretty much sealed up. Oil pan's on, heads, valley pan, got the knock sensors on in there, rocker covers, although these rocker covers are coming off because I realized when I was putting these on, these are the stock ones, that because I put those trunnions on the rockers, these will no longer work. So I ordered another set that should work fine. But it's all pretty much ready to go. Next project's going to be to get the valley, or get the intake on it. Dry fit it at first, see how everything works, because I got to put some steam vent crossover, coolant crossover, steam crossover on, and make sure it fits with this intake that I have is not the stock intake. So got to make sure that all fits okay. And then pretty soon I think I can try to start this thing on the stand. I'm going to put some oil in it and prime it. I'll show you all that when the time comes. And we're getting there. Hey everybody, in the video of me assembling this top end, you noticed I put the valley pan cover on. Getting ready to install the intake, which the LS6 intake that I picked up, which you can't really install today because I realized I got to order some bolts for it. But anyhow, but before you install the intake, you put your knock sensors in and the wiring. These foam pads also have to be installed. And that basically, when you run in the car, if you run through a puddle, or when you're washing the engine bay or whatever, it keeps water from getting up under the manifold and into where the knock sensors are. This has got a pretty good rubber seal on it, but evidently they fail after a while, crack or something, and water will get down in there where the knock sensors are and destroy the knock sensors. So what they recommend doing, not only with the foam pads, putting those on, is to build up a thing of silicone around that area. And what it does is it just creates a dam. So if water does get up under there, it'll run, hit that dam of silicone and not go past it into the hole. So that's what they recommend doing. So that's what I did. Now, next step will be installing the intake. My old throttle body, or my old, what they call throttle body on these things, is a drive-by cable, the one that came with this motor. So that's the other thing I'm going to have to order is another throttle body that's a drive-by wire. Or no, the one I came with is a drive-by wire. I need a drive-by cable. So I will have to order that. So that's going to be next step. Is I'm going to put the intake manifold on here just to seal up these ports. Make sure nothing gets in there. I cover the engine and put a bag over it when I'm done anyways, but just in case. Plus it frees up some space on my shelves. So that's where we're at.